Many gardeners believe daily watering is the secret to healthy plants, but this habit can actually weaken them. Shallow, frequent watering keeps roots near the surface, making plants fragile and dependent on constant care. These surface roots are vulnerable to heat, drought, and damage, while the soil itself becomes compacted and less able to absorb water. Most of the water we apply evaporates or runs off, wasting resources and leaving plants thirsty. Overwatering also harms the living soil, drowning beneficial organisms and breaking down soil structure. Instead of a resilient ecosystem, we create a garden that needs more and more from us, yet gives less in return. The solution? Rethink how we water, by working with nature, not against it. Deep, infrequent watering encourages roots to grow down, making plants stronger and more self-sufficient. This approach saves water, time, and builds a healthier garden from the ground up. It's time to break the cycle of dependency and let our gardens thrive on their own. Let's explore a method that does just that. Ancient gardeners solved water shortages by burying wood deep in the soil, creating a natural reservoir. This technique, known as hugelkultur, or core gardening, turns buried logs into sponges that soak up and store water underground. Roots grow deep to reach this hidden moisture, making plants more resilient and less dependent on surface watering. As the wood decomposes, it slowly releases both water and nutrients, feeding the soil for years. Fungi and microbes thrive, forming networks that help plants access resources. This creates a self-sustaining ecosystem, reducing drought stress and garden maintenance. The secret to a thriving, low-water garden has always been right beneath our feet. Building a buried wood reservoir is simple and transformative. Dig a trench about 2 feet deep where you want your garden bed. Fill the bottom with untreated logs and thick branches. Avoid any wood with chemicals. Add smaller branches, twigs, and organic matter like leaves or straw to fill gaps. Return the topsoil, mounding it over the buried material. The most important step, soak the bed thoroughly, ensuring the wood is fully saturated. This initial deep watering charges your underground sponge. Plant directly into the topsoil. From here, you'll water far less, only during long droughts. 1 day of effort, years of benefits. Thirsty crops like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers and squash thrive with a buried wood core, drawing steady moisture for bigger, healthier harvests. Perennials and fruit shrubs, such as raspberries and blueberries, develop deep, robust roots and benefit from slow-release nutrients. Even leafy greens grow better, with consistent moisture preventing bitterness and stress. The improved soil structure helps all plants, not just those with deep roots. This method mimics nature, creating resilience and self-sufficiency. Plants withstand heat waves and dry spells with ease. Ancient growers knew strong roots mean strong plants. Build from below, and your garden will flourish above. Success depends on a few key details. Always use untreated, natural wood, never painted or pressure-treated, which can poison your soil. Don't skip the initial deep soaking. Dry wood will steal moisture from your plants. Use plenty of large logs for a lasting reservoir. Small twigs alone won't hold enough water. In the first year, supplement with nitrogen-rich compost or manure to offset temporary nutrient loss as wood decomposes. Be patient. The system improves with time, building fertility and resilience. Avoid shortcuts, and your garden will reward you for years. Simple steps, big results. Let nature do the heavy lifting. In a world facing water shortages and climate uncertainty, this ancient technique is more relevant than ever. It saves water, reduces labour, and transforms soil into a living ecosystem. By burying wood, we feed the soil, nurture beneficial microbes, and create lasting fertility. This regenerative approach turns waste into resource and gardens into resilient, thriving systems. The initial effort pays off with healthier plants and lower water bills. It's a practical, sustainable solution rooted in nature's wisdom. By adopting this method, we invest in the future of our gardens and our planet. Sometimes the best innovations are the ones we rediscover.